Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. So this is new video on how to trade with candlestick analysis. So here this is the zone. If market close at this zone, I'll place my trade. You see market is trying to reach the zone. So definitely after this candle, if market close somewhere or above here, market is going down. So let's wait. But you see rejection. You see market is just rejecting from the zone. Let me change another one, because this one, the setup is not good. This one is bad market. Here let's see, this down, up, then down. Yes, here is another opportunity. Even though market has changed, you see it's changing to uptrend, but the next candle is coming down because of this area, down, off, two gap. Then after this candle, market is coming down. You see gap down, gap up, then the next candle will come down. So let's wait. But you see this one is still coming down. Don't know what's wrong. No problem, let's change. Yeah, no good setup here. Yeah, here this down, up, down. Here down, yes, gap down. Yes, here. So after this candle, I will place put option down, off, down, even though with the momentum, but I will definitely place put option. Only I will try to get marginals. Yes, I place put option because market shut down, shoot down, so market definitely it must go down here. Because of this pattern here, you see market go down, up, then market must come down here. You see market is coming down, so that's why I place my trade, because I know definitely even though with this momentum market is coming down, but you see bad entry point, but no problem. You see very huge candle. You see this is winning trade. So let me change this. No good setup here. Here up, down, up, down, up. So if this candle comes down, so I'll place call option, but the candle is not coming down. Yes, the candle is coming down. Yes, so after this candle I'll place call option. because of this pattern, up down up, but you see it's rejecting. It's no problem, it's not coming down. Yes, I place call option. I place my trade call option here because I know definitely market is going higher. It's going up here because of this pattern, up down up. So that's why I place my trade. You see market is going higher. You see, even though major trend is down, but here I know because of this pattern, is very strong pattern, very strong pattern. So you see, this is another winning trade. So let me check another one. Here is not so nice. Yes, this is no good setup here. So here you see down, this is down here, then up here, up, down, up. You see here, up, down, up, then down. Yes, but the movement of the candle is abnormal. I see huge, very huge gap down, very huge gap down. So I will not place my trade because this is abnormal. If this candle started from here, I will place put option, but here I will not place. You see, still market is working, still the pattern is working, it's coming down, but it's dangerous because of this gap down, strong gap down. But you see, still market is going higher. So if this candle close somewhere here, I'll place my trade. You see, yes. So now the pattern will work if there is no gap. Yes, no gap, I place put option, but bad entry point, I don't know what's wrong, but I know market is going down. Market is going down definitely. You see, bad entry point all the time, but I know market is going down because of this pattern. You see, up, down, up, then you should expect down. This candle supposed to come down, but because of gap down, very huge gap down, so that's why market still go higher. But this one you see open exactly at this level, so you should expect down. Even though market has given me bad entry point, but I know it's closing below my entry point. You see, market is going down. I know definitely market must close below my entry point. You see, 3 trade in a row with this pattern. Very simple. If you understand this pattern, it will be very easy for you to take your trade. You see here, this is another pattern, down, up, down. You see up here, so here you're supposed to place call option, but because of this gap, so you don't need to place, you wait. And here is like inside bar, no problem. Let me check here, no opportunity, no opportunity here. Yes, yeah. No, this is not nice. Up, down. This is not nice. This is not nice. Up, down. It's not nice in this one, but it can still reverse, but it's not very good setup here. Up, down, up. Yes, it can reverse, but it's not nice. So I will not place my trade now because I'm not convinced. You see here, up, down. Here, up, down. This one is just going anyhow. Let's change another one. Not nice. Yes, here, and because this is inside bar. Up, down, up. So I will wait for this candle to finish, then I will place call option. But market is reversing. See, market is reversing. The volatility is too high. You see here, down, up, down. I miss it. So let me wait for this candle. Down, up. What market has not created higher high. No higher high here, but it will work because major trend is up. So if this candle close below lower low of this candle, then market will reverse. So I will wait. If market comes, yes, or if market create even weak, break this lower low, come down, 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 down. But market is not breaking the lower low. As you see, very strong entry. You see, market is still reversing. So maybe I will stop trading because I couldn't get any other opportunity. But see another one, down, up, down. Sorry, up, down, up, then down here, but it's not yet at the higher high. Still no. Yes, yeah, this is inside bar, so it's not nice. This one, we cannot use this one as this pattern. You see here, I missed this one, but let me wait. Oh, this one has not break the lower low. of this one. It does not break the lower low, so it's dangerous. But here I'll place put option. I place my trade put option here because of down up, then I'm expecting down here definitely. That's why I place my trade. You see here down, up, down, and major trend is down as well. You see very huge sellers entry. You see, this is very nice pattern to trade easily, especially in OTC market. It works almost 100%. If you know this pattern very well, it works 100% here. And you can see here down, up, down, then you should expect up. After this candle you should expect up, but the candle is very huge, no rejection, so you wait to see rejection from any other level, then markets will go up, because this one has no rejection. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, please like it, share, comment. I will say thank you. Bye bye.